Hey guys, it's Randy with Randy Reviews. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a luxury show and tell. I purchased these shoes about 2.5 months ago, and I just want to give y'all a quick and dirty review. So if you're interested, you can purchase them before they go out of stock. I like to wait, a while to review things until I've worn them and felt them out. But when it comes to fashion, especially luxury fashion, girl, be gone. So, you got to get it while the getting is good. I purchased these from Nordstrom, FYI. So, here's the box. Fendi. And these are the Test Jacker Pekin logo slides in tobacco Nero Moro. I got a size 40.5, and I paid $720 plus tax, obviously. In the box, they come with 2 Fendi dust bags. And of course, tissue paper and all of that. I only keep shoe boxes for my luxury shoes just because I like to showcase all my stuff in my closet, and I get more wear when I can see something versus it being in the box. Like, even with these shoes, I bought them and honestly they sat for like a good 2-3 weeks because I just forgot that I had them because they were in a box, like kind of tucked away. So that's one reason why I don't like leaving stuff in the box. But for these, I'm gonna have to, just because if I was to ever resell them, I would get more money, for having the box. Anyway, these are the shoes. Cute. Show you the side. Just put that one down. This is the side. Has a little Fendi, and then of course on the top it has Fendi Roma, and then it has a small Fendi right there. It has the Fendi, what kind of print is this? Is this a Zuka print? Girl, I don't even know, because this is my first Fendi purchase ever. So it has this Fendi standard print in it, and then it has a Fendi leather patch right there. And then this is how the bottom looks. It says Fendi Roma, made in Italy, and then it has the size on it, which is a 40.5. As you can see, it does have some grip. It's not super slick, because it has these little lines in it. And for heaviness, I would say it's mid. It's not super duper heavy like some platforms or slides can be, but you can feel it on your feet, especially because there's no back or anything. You can kind of feel them while you're walking. So far, I would give them maybe a 7.5 out of 10. The reason why I'm saying that is because of the floppiness of them. Like, when I'm wearing them, I can feel them on my feet, and it's like I kind of feel like I'm about to tip over occasionally. It isn't always like that, and honestly I think I could have got a 40 and maybe that would have made them more fitted, but I didn't want my toes coming off. I have very long toes, and even if the shoe fits on the back, when it's like a slide like this, my toes will slide down. So I get myself some extra room with that half, because typically in sandals I'm a 9, so a 40.5 is what, a 10.5, or is that a 9.5? I think a 40.5 is a 9.5. So yeah, a 9 probably would have felt better on my feet, but I feel like I would have had some toe issues. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much the gist of them. I mean, they're cute, they're stylish, they go with a lot of different stuff because of the neutral tone. They have them in like a lighter color, and honestly I opted for the darker color because this is like cloth material, and I'm like, how long will those last if they're like white and tan, and you walking around, they're gonna be dirty as hell after like 2 or 3 wears. and they're not going to be easy to clean because it's cloth, it's not leather. So I opted for those. And do I think they're worth $720? Probably not, but it was the anniversary buy. I was celebrating my 3-year anniversary, and we went on like a little shopping spree, and that's what I decided to splurge on. And I know that I'm not going to be wearing them so much that they're going to get wore down, so I feel like I will be able to get some longevity out of them. But for $700, you definitely can get some leather luxury sandals. I've gotten some Jimmy Choos. I've seen some Valentinos on sale. You know, you just got to shop the sale, or you have to like do secondhand at right now, because in the store you can't get anything luxury for $720, and that's just like crazy to me. Like literally, I looked at all of the sandals when I was thinking about getting something, and like the Gucci slides and stuff were starting at like $850, $900, and they were not leather. They were canvas material or cotton material, whatever have you. And I'm like, $900 for some cotton sandals? Like, y'all tripping. Christian Dior, same thing. All of their slides were, you know, $800 to $900. Like, these were the most reasonably priced and for the nicest quality and style that I could find at Nordstrom. I'm sure if I would have went to a few different stores, or like went to the actual store, that I probably could have found something better for that price. But we wasn't doing all that. We was at Nordstrom, so that's where we was gonna stay. But yeah, I think, you know, they're good, they're cute. Like I said, besides that little kind of heaviness feeling when I'm walking occasionally, they're really just like cute shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like when you just want to show off a little bit. I did wear them today, just like out and about, not shopping or anything, but just like at a cafe and stuff like that. I don't think I would wear these like walking around a lot, because it would irritate me too bad. So that's my overall review of these sandals. And I mean, go to the store and try them on. You might like them. You might not have the same issue that I have with how they feel on your feet, and you might feel like they're worth $720. With inflation, I feel like everything is just up. You know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna splurge, you're just gonna splurge. That's what it is. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you at the next one. Peace.